So here's how to withdraw money from your Steam account to your bank account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Steam account. Once you are there, now here as you can see, Steam doesn't directly allow you to transfer funds to your bank account. To transfer funds from your Steam account to your bank account, you must hit the minimum criteria. However, if you want to take a withdrawal of minimum amount, what you have to do is you have to use a third-party website that is called Skin Cashier. Once you are here, now here you have to click on the sell your skins option. After that, it will ask you to sign into your Steam account. Once you are signed in, now it will ask you for an additional email and then it will ask you for your trade address. All you need to do is click on the link. After that, here it will show you the amount, then you have to follow the steps. Now you will be successfully able to transfer funds from your Steam to your bank account. So that's how to transfer funds from Steam to your bank account.